Hey guys, Bernard here, and today's video is sponsored by VideoPROC. The desktop editing software is great, but free alternatives often have limits on features and watermarks on exported videos, but not VideoPROC VLOGGER. A variety of tools, VideoPROC VLOGGER has it all. Wide selection of essential editing tools, motion, keyframe and speed ramping, multi-track and frame-by-frame editing, preview effects and filters in real time, photo slideshow maker, color editing, audio editing, support 4K, support GPU hardware acceleration, low system requirement, and it is very easy to use. In this video, I will walk you through how to download VideoPROC VLOGGER and how to use it. Okay, so first things first, let's download VideoPROC VLOGGER. It's very easy to download. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So just wait. Okay, so let's select where we want to download it. I download my files over here, softwares, and I have a folder here. Save it, then download it. It's very fast, it's easy. Okay, so let's open the folder. Alright, so let's just run it quickly. You're gonna see it's very fast. So now let's install it. So now you have to wait till it finishes installing. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so now let's launch it. Okay, so this is the first thing that you are going to see. Okay, you just have to check your settings. New project. Mine is HD, so it's 1920 by 1080. And then FPS, I always want the highest, 120. Okay, so you might want to check it out. Then after that, if you want 4K, you can choose it from here, and then that's it. So let's just go to a new project. So for the first time, you're going to open the VideoPROC editor. Just something that you are going to see. So first, let's import the files, the video files that we would want to edit, right? So just click here. So let me just add my thumbnail. Let me add my videos, everything to it. Just select everything in there. You see it's very fast. And so let me add my intro. I forgot to add that one. So now it's not here. Sorry. My intro and outro. So first let me add my intro into the so you have to drag it, no, sorry, that's my outro. Let me add the intro first. So that's the intro and that's my outro, right? So let me just delete it first. So okay, that's it. The volume and everything is okay. So if you want to detach the volume, you can just right click on it, then detach audio. You see, if you want to reduce the volume of it, you can just do it here. Okay, so with the volume, I think it's okay. Let me just roll back to how it was. Okay, so let me add my first video. So that's my video. My second one, I'm just going to be doing anything, right, for you guys to see. And then my third, and probably my outro. Yeah. Okay, so let me add the transitions and everything that you want to see. So to add a transition, just go to your transitions over here. Let me see this one. Oh, this is great. I think this is beautiful. You just add it here. Okay, so I'm just using the same transition. Yeah, I always love to do that. So you can just add it, or you drag it, right? Let's go to my outro. That's it. So let's see how it is. So this is something very, very easy, you know.
Hello guys.
So you saw that transition, right? Yeah, so
Our YouTube channel. Today we have another wonderful review for you, which is the Dell G3 Gaming.
And also you can even export it in 4K. It supports 4K, it supports, you know, mine is just full HD. You get it. So
laptop. So kindly stay with me to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy this.
You get it. So let's add some how do I even say, some background music. Okay, so that's it. That's what I would want to add. Just drop it here. Okay, then you just stretch it. No, you can stretch it. That's it. Let's add another one. And that's how you know, I do my editing. I'm really loving this. It's very, very simple, and you know, it doesn't come with watermark. It's free. You know, you don't have to pay for anything at all. So it's very, very high. So let's try and reduce the volume of the background music. Right, so you just have to select it. Right, select it, then you come here, then you just reduce it here. Okay, if you want to mute it, you can mute it as well, but no, I don't want to mute it. So you see, so let's see the volume of this. We can increase the volume of this as well, of the video. Do you get
gaming, right? And we'll have nice performance, and also other programs. I'm someone who learns a lot of things about video softwares like Blender, Maya, and all those stuff. So I was actually looking for a laptop that can.
Do you get it? So let's see this one. Let me just reduce it. So I think it's very, very simple.
The beast that we are talking.
Let's see now. So let me reduce this.
I actually bought this laptop on a budget because the function that I was looking for was a laptop that would. So guys, this is the beast that was a laptop that will give me aside being useful for my studies, and also can be also useful for gaming, right? And will have nice performance, and also other programs. I'm someone who.
Okay, so we can do the same thing to this one as well. Reduce the volume. It's a background music, right? So it shouldn't be high. Then we increase the volume of the main video. Okay. So if you want to add a text to it as well, it's very, very simple. So let's see the kind of text that you want, right? You just select it.
Dell G3.
Okay, so anywhere you want to put it, you just have to edit it right here. Click on the edit. So you said Dell G3, you know, anything that you would want to do, right? So we're here. Let's say I'm just, you know, typing Dell G3, what he said. Sorry. Oh, you just have to select it first. I forgot. Over here, Dell G3. Do you get it? You can just increase the size, you can do anything you want with it. Let me just keep it here. Okay, so see how easy it is.
Which is,
so if you want to, you know, put it on the left side, you can just select this, right? And then let's see, you get it, you just drag it left side. Let's go down, let's go up. Guys, it's so easy to use, you know. I think this is the best editing software, you know, that I've used, for real, not gonna lie. So I think we're good to go. Let's see what we have. So you can just be adding your background music, you just fill it up. Okay, and everything is good. So let's say we're done and we want to export it, you know. Here comes the main thing, right? So just click on the export. The quality that you want, I want high quality always, you know. And let's see, yeah, it's always with this one, the FPS. Yeah, I want this. And then the file name, let's say Del G3. The format, you know, MP4, that's okay for me. And I think everything is okay. So I'm ready to export it, you know. You just have to click on start, and that's it. You just have to wait for it to, you know, to finish. Do you get it? So let's see if it's going to come with a watermark, you know, as many of the editors that comes with watermark. I think it's boring, I think it's very bad. But this, it comes, you know, new, it comes, you know, very beautiful without watermark. So I'd always choose this, you know. So I will just, you know, pause and then let it finish and show you everything. Okay, yeah, so we're done. Let's see, let's try and play. Okay, so you can see there isn't any watermark on this video. You can see everything is clear. I think this is the best editing software so far. Not gonna lie, guys. So here comes the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you really enjoyed it, and if you want more tutorials on this, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and thanks to VideoPROC for sponsoring this video.